Hello, dear girls. How are you? Welcome to English Classroom with Harpreet. Girls, hope you remember that we have started with a very important topic of our grammar, that is tenses. Yes, that are telling you about the time of the action as well as the state. Okay, as I told you that there are three kinds of present tense. Tenses. There is present, past, and future. And in our previous video, we have already discussed the parts of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So, girls, today it's the day to learn about past tense. So, let's get started. What are the parts of past tense? Yes, what are they? They are also four kinds: simple past tense, past indefinite tense. They are the same. There are two different names. Second is past continuous or past progressive tense. They are also same. There are two names. Third is past perfect tense and fourth is past perfect continuous tense. So girls, let us discuss them one by one in detail. So listen carefully. First, simple past tense. What are the simple past tense? Where are they used? Yes, they are used to express the actions which have been completed in the past or habits they were used in the past. Okay. For what is the rule for that then? After the subject comes the second form of the verb. What is the second form of the verb? Yes, there are three forms of the verb: first, second, and third. So basically, here comes the second form of the verb. But girls, keep in mind that only in affirmative sentences the verb की second form will be used. Otherwise, when we make it negative or when we make it interrogative, this V2 changes to V1. What is V1? The root form, the basic form of the verb. Okay, let us see the examples. Affirmative, as I told you, जहाँ पे negative sentences नहीं होते, not नहीं होता है. For example, she sang a sweet song, I read a novel, he completed the lesson. In all these sentences, you can see that the verb is in the second form: brought, sang, read, completed. Okay, but as soon as we change these sentences into negative, ठीक है, I read a novel, मैंने novel पढ़ा था, he completed the lesson, मैंने lesson complete किया था. But when we make it negative, this second form of the verb will be changed into the first form of the verb. For example, they came yesterday. But if I have to say कि वो कल नहीं आए थे, तो what I will do? I will have to add the helping verb. Helping verb नहीं है because यहाँ पर, as I told you, जब helping verb नहीं होती है, we in the present tense what we have used? Do or does. But in the past tense we have to use did. ठीक है, did not. Whether singular subject or plural subject, you have to add did not. They did not come yesterday. See, came से क्या बन गया? Come. Because as I earlier told you, V2 क्या बन जाएगा? V1. Basic form of the verb will come. Similarly, Kamal learnt his lesson अगर होगा, learnt is the second form of the verb, and as soon as we make it negative, Kamal did not learn this lesson या his lesson. ठीक है, learned का क्या बन गया? learn. Basic form आ गई फिर से. And when we make it interrogative, start the sentence with did because it is a past tense. Past हमेशा interrogative will start with did. Did he learn the lesson? या फिर did we not invite you to the party? It is negative interrogative. Did you go to school? And so on. So girls, remember, in simple past tense, what you have to keep in mind, when the sentence is affirmative, the structure is subject के बाद verb की second form. But as we change it into negative, the second form of the verb will be removed and did not will be added before the verb की first form. Now talking about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means the action has been continuously going on at the time we were talking in the past. पुराने टाइम में, किसी पास्ट टाइम में, पर्टिकुलर टाइम में कोई ऐसा एक्शन है जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, हो रहा था. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई टेक अ टाइम ऑफ yesterday at 5 o'clock in the evening our Olympiad was going on. ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. तो कोई ऐसा एक्शन जो कल या फिर पुराने किसी टाइम पे, पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, इट वॉज नॉट बीइंग कंप्लीटेड बट इट वॉज गोइंग ऑन, इट वॉज इन प्रोग्रेस. ठीक है, तो what will be the structure? Subject plus was या word. The helping verb will be was या word because it is past tense. You remember हम present continuous में क्या यूज़ करते थे? Yes, subject के बाद we used is, am, are. इन तीनों में से एक helping verb. But it is past, so we will use was, were. And then verb की first form के साथ ing. Like cook नहीं, cooking. Read नहीं, reading. And so on. For example, I was reading a book. They were running. ठीक है, I past में जाते ही we will use the rule of सिंगुलर वन, यस, हम उसके साथ वॉज लगाएंगे, वर नहीं. दे इज अ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, सो आई यूज वर. वी प्लूरल है, इसीलिए आई यूज अगेन वर. यू इज ऑल्सो प्लूरल, यू वर. सो यू वर, दे वर, आई वॉज, एंड सो ऑन. आई वॉज रीडिंग अ बुक. बट एज सुन एज आई हैव टू मेक इट नेगेटिव, as I told you, helping verb जब होता है, so what you do after the helping verb, just add not. I was reading a book, I was not reading a book. My sister was doing her sums, my sister was not doing her sums. They were playing football, they were not playing football. Helping verb के बाद was और were के बाद क्या लगा देंगे, you will add not. And to make them interrogative, what you will do, I was reading a book, helping verb or subject की positions interchange. Yes. Rohit was cleaning his room. Was Rohit cleaning his room? Question mark. They were going to school. Were they going to school? What I am doing? Were or they? Helping verb or subject. Positions change. And the sentences change into interrogative. Clear? Now talking about the third kind, that is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है गर्ल्स? Yes, it shows an action that has been completed in the past. ऐसा एक्शन जो पूरा कंप्लीट आप कर चुके थे बट पास्ट में, जैसे कि दे हैड स्टडीड इंग्लिश, दे हैड प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम, या दे हैड डन द एग्ज़ाम ऑफ इंग्लिश, एंड सो ऑन. ऐसा एक्शन जो आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. या फिर इट ऑल्सो स्टेट्स अ कंडीशन. कंडीशन मीन्स कोई आपके सामने कोई वो रखी जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई हैड नोन यू एवर इल, आई वुड हैव बॉट मेडिसिन फॉर यू. अगर मुझे पता होता कि तुम मिलो, मैं आपके लिए मेडिसिन लाता. सो अगेन इट इज हैविंग अ कंडीशन, एक कंडीशन एक्सप्रेस की जा रही है. आई हैड नोन, अगर मुझे पता होता, मतलब पुरानी बात में. एंड थर्ड रीज़न इज इट गिव्स अ रीज़न फॉर समथिंग इन द पास्ट. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो पास में हुई थी और उसका आप रीज़न दे रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट हैड रेन्ड हेविली, दैट्स वाई आई डिड नॉट गो आउट. बारिश बहुत तेज़ हुई थी इसीलिए मैं बाहर नहीं जा पाया. सो गर्ल्स, ओवरऑल व्हेन वी सी ऑल द थ्री सेंटेंस और द यूसेज ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर दैट कम्स इन योर माइंड? Yes, after the subjects come the had and then the verb की third form. Okay, so let us see the examples of affirmative, negative and interrogative. I had seen him before I went for the interview. देखा था, मैंने उसे देख लिया था. So action had been completed. I had passed the exam, मैं पास कर चुका हूँ. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी कर चुका था, सॉरी. He had bought a car, वो ला चुका था कार, and so on. But when we make it negative, helping verb again we have available with the helping verb, that is had. Had के बाद आप क्या लगा देंगे? Not. He had bought a car, he had not bought a car. He had attended the function, he had not attended the function, and so on. But when we make it interrogative, had से start कर दीजिए. Helping verb हमारी had है. Had they done the work? Had the police arrived? And so on. Now talking about the last kind, that is past perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action in the past which had begun and was going on for some time before another action took place in the past. And second usage is, it is used to express a repeated action in the past. For example, she has been trying to see you for long. तो ऐसे एक्शंस जो आपने पहले कभी शुरू किए थे पास्ट में और वो पास्ट के किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक चलते ही आ रहे हैं, फिनिश नहीं हुए थे. ठीक है, कल शाम 5 बजे तक की अगर आप बात करें, इफ़ आई गिव सेम एग्जांपल, येस्टरडे इवनिंग 5 o'clock, और कोई एक्शन ऐसा जो आपने 2 साल पहले, 2 महीने पहले या 4 घंटे पहले आपने शुरू किया था, वो तब तक भी 5 बजे तक भी हो रहा था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी हैज़ बिन ट्राइंग टू सी यू सो लॉन्ग. इन दैट केस वो एक्शन क्या है, क्या कोशिश कर रही थी? उससे मिलने की कोशिश कर रही थी बहुत टाइम से, और कल का जो टाइम दिया है या येस्टरडे तक, वो तब तक भी वो काम कर रही थी. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर? जैसे प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में था, हैड्स हैव बीन था, यहाँ पे पास्ट है, तो व्हाट यू विल यूज़ परफेक्ट के लिए? हैड. शी हैड बीन प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing एंड देन सिंस और फॉर. सिंस और फॉर मैंने पहले भी बताया था जब हमने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस किया था. Yes, since is used when we know the starting time of any action. For example, if I say 2019 से या 2018 से 2018 से I am doing job in particular school, so I will use since 2018, since 2019 या since January and so on. बट इफ़ आई से मुझे पता है कि 10 साल से, 5 साल से, 4 घंटे से, 15 मिनट से या 10 मिनट से या 8 मिनट से, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम आपको पता है, कितने टाइम तक ड्यूरेशन पता है, तो एट दैट टाइम यू विल यूज़ फॉर. ओके, नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. ही हैड बीन राइटिंग फॉर 5 months. सी यहाँ पर टाइम लिमिट पता है 5 months, तो इन्होंने क्या यूज़ किया? फॉर 5 months. ठीक है, for 2 hours, for 1 hour. बट यहाँ लास्ट एग्जाम्पल फोर्थ, वी हैड बीन प्लेइंग सिंस 9 AM. वाई सिंस इज यूज? 9 बजे से अब तक कर रहे हैं और 9 बजे से कर रहे थे. So starting time, starting year, starting month, starting date, anything is known, you will use since. And if you know the time duration, 5 months, 10 minutes, 4 minutes, या फिर 10 years and so on, you will say for. He had been मतलब वो करती आ रही थी. He had been writing for 5 months. वो 5 महीने से लिखती चली आ रही है. He had been waiting for the bus for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से बस का वेट करती आ रही थी. And so on. And when we have to make it negative, had helping verb है हमारा यहाँ पे, we will add not after that. ठीक है, I had not been playing for a week. मैं एक हफ्ते से खेल नहीं रही थी. And to make it interrogative, we'll start it with had. Had she been writing to you since February? And so on. So girls, hope you are clear with all the 4 kinds of past tenses also. And in the previous video, we have already done the present tense. Further, we are going to do with the future tense. Till then, thank you, goodbye, and always be positive. Everything will be well soon, and we will meet soon. Bye and take care.